Welcome to another edition of A New Me, your weekly consultation with the Washington, D.C. area's best doctors and professionals. Our guest experts help you learn about the latest medical advances and procedures by providing you with the real information necessary to help you eliminate the dangers of making the wrong medical and cosmetic enhancement decisions. Get ready for your consultation. Next, we'll be on location at Soft Touch Dental Care in Oakton, Virginia, discussing how you can improve your smile and boost your confidence through dental implants with Northern Virginia's top cosmetic dentist, Dr. Michael Chung. Dr. Chung has created smile makeovers for many models and celebrities, is among only 1% of all dentists in the country who has advanced training in neuromuscular dentistry, and is a member of the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry. He is also a graduate of Johns Hopkins University, has received his doctorate of dental surgery from the University of Maryland, and has received extensive dental training at the world-renowned Las Vegas Institute for Advanced Dental Studies. Welcome, Dr. Chung.
It's a pleasure to be here, Rocco.
Oh, it's our pleasure to have you back on. We're really excited about our discussion that we're going to have today about how we can achieve a healthier and better smile in a relatively short period of time, from what I understand, through dental implants. And I wanted to start right off the bat by asking you, however, if you can first tell us what exactly are dental implants.
Dental implants are basically a small titanium fixture that is used to replace missing root portion of the tooth, and it can be used in the upper jaw or the lower jaw, and we embed it in there and let it integrate for about 3-4 months, and then you place a tooth over top of that to fill the missing gap.
Very interesting. Now, what are their advantages over the other dental options?
Well, there's many, but the main advantage of dental implants over other dental procedures is that it preserves the bone. When you have a titanium fixture embedded in the bone, the bone stops resorbing, so it preserves the health of the bone. So what that relates to the patient is that it keeps the facial structure so that you don't age. A lot of times as you age, the bone basically disintegrates away and you look older. This prevents that. So that's one of the main advantages. Another advantage over such thing as a crown or bridge, where they use to replace missing teeth, you actually have to shave away the healthy tooth to be able to put in a bridge. You don't have to do that anymore. We're replacing that tooth and that tooth only, and it preserves, so it's a much more conservative procedure.
And also one that, based on what you just said, certainly sounds like we can get very good results in a quicker period of time.
Oh, yes.
There's not as much involved as far as number of visits.
And in cases of patients that wear dentures, usually they're not very happy because they're unable to taste their food because of all the plastic that's in their mouth. Also, it wobbles and it creates sore spots in the mouth, and this will prevent all those things because they will feel just like natural teeth.
Is old age a problem for those who are watching and who might be somewhat elderly and are interested in this option?
No, absolutely not. The main determining factor is the health of the patient. It really does not matter of their age. If they're healthy enough to have a tooth extracted, they're certainly going to be healthy enough to have an implant placed.
And how successful are the results from dental implants? What are we talking about?
Oh, dental implants have been around for many decades. We probably have 4 decades of clinical experience now, and we have over 95% success rate, and it's probably the most successful and most predictable thing that we dentists do today.
And I believe you have some pictures you'd like to show us, Dr. Chung?
Yes, I would love to share them.
Let's take a look.
As you can see from this first picture, the patient is missing a front tooth. We have a picture of an implant placed in the site and in the bone. After a few months of healing, we place an abutment, that is the actual core, and in the next picture we can see the finished product where you can not distinguish from the natural tooth there. In the next picture, we see a patient receiving a CT scan, and using that CT scan and using computer-based patient planning, we're able to figure out exactly the angulation and where we need to place the implants. And then we figure out a surgical template that fits exactly in the mouth so that we can place those implants and have the teeth ready all in the same day. Here in this picture we see an edentulous jaw with no teeth. This is a very economical way for patients that have dentures that would like to have a better fit. So what we do is we take 2 implants there, we place the the female portion of it in the denture, and they clip right onto the implants so that they're more fixed in the mouth, so they're able to chew and eat like everyone else. And you'll see the beautiful results here in this last picture.
Very impressive results from what we just saw as far as what this option can provide us.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, we've only got a few moments, Dr. Chung, and I wanted to ask you before I let you go here today, how long do the implants last? I mean, what are we looking at? Several years, many years?
Well, dental implants, like I explained earlier, is the most predictable armamentarium that we dentists have today. It's really expected to last a lifetime. As long as you take care of them just like your natural teeth, you cannot get cavities in them. They're solidly fixed into your bone. So as long as we take care of your gums, they're expected to last a lifetime.
Well, that was certainly very helpful and informative. And on that note, I'd like to thank you, Dr. Chung, for joining us and being a guest today on New Me.
Thank you so much for having me.
Welcome back to A New Me. We provide contact information on our guest experts at the end of this show. For a detailed profile on today's guests, please visit our website at anewme.org. You can also watch all of our A New Me TV shows on our website. Thank you for joining us. See you next week.